Amber, you ready? An hour and a half before it gets dark. Can we do it, Amber?
Yeah.
She's got her new cool shoes on. She's ready to walk and roll because she's Asian.
Walking.
Right up there. A spot down here. This is where we stayed at in the spring. This horse shit here. Fire going. See if I can't burn the other side of this guy. Wow. Is that not just amazing right there? Something else. I asked Amber if she wanted to get up and watch the sunrise with me, and you know, she said no. So probably she just fell right back asleep. Typical Amber. Alright. Yeah, it's not great conditions right now. So we had a really awesome first night. So we're gonna take that and roll with it. Man,